The drag paradiddle number 1. Now, why they don't call it the single drag paradiddle, I don't know, but I didn't make it up. It's called the drag paradiddle number 1, which means there's a number 2. We'll talk about that one later. The drag paradiddle number 1 starts with an accent. Then we have a drag or a diddle, 2 grace notes, and then going into a paradiddle. The paradiddle, there's no accent on the paradiddle. All the taps are soft. Accent, diddle, grace notes, then a paradiddle. So it goes like this. Right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, left, paradiddle, left, right, right, paradiddle, right. The single drag paradiddle. No, the drag paradiddle number 1. I'm confusing myself. All right, let's slow it down. Here we go. You can interpret that diddle many different ways. We can play it nice and tight or very loose as a triplet. So check it out. Here it is with the diddle nice and tight. And here it is with the diddle really wide open as a triplet. I'm going to morph it from one to the other. Watch this. The drag paradiddle number 1. Which one was your favorite?